విశాఖలో సిఐఐ నేషనల్ కాన్ఫరెన్స్ లో సీఎం చంద్రబాబు మాట్లాడుతున్నారు. లైవ్ లో చూద్దాం.
Some more project we can prepare with our hospitals, diagnosis, everything. Go for next step. I'm thinking big data analytics, artificial intelligence, how to use it in medical these things, even apps. Even some people are doing with you, your association. Can you make this center next level? Long back I started Triple IT. They are not usual degree courses, only post-graduation PhDs, and also designing products in information technology. Like that we had done. Now I want to go in a big way, artificial intelligence university itself, deemed university, where bringing all companies going for next generation technologies. With all these things, what I wanted to work with you, you have established reasonably very well. We are very happy. Now any equipment you name, people are prepared to come here because of your credibility and also infrastructure and success story. Now we will attract best people globally to make MedTech zone as a global hub. As already it is a global hub, and also we can make it unique global hub. I will be very happy with you to work in the direction. So today I am the person who is having happy, very happy with him. When I have given so much of land, so many people, but they have proven to certain extent. But with 275 acres, he brought excellent name for the state and for the country. I really appreciate him. Not only Sharmaji, who are all here, by birth we are all ordinary. By performance, we are all become extraordinary. In Visakhapatnam, nobody visualized it is a steel city. Now it is a medical zone manufacturing hub. Now one of the best airport is coming now, Visakhapatnam. Today I supervised Bhogapuram. If it come, then international connectivity also will be very easy, logistics wise. Visakhapatnam is one city, I can explain to you, it is very near to my heart. They trust me, I trust them, and also one of the most docile people, very good people. What all I have done for them, always whenever I come here, I used to do good work for them. During COVID, 8 days or 10 days, I stayed here only. After fully recovered, then I left this place. Because of that, Udhud, because of that, 2019 election, 4 seats we have won. Out of 4 in the city, 4 seats we have won. This election, you can see the majority. Even MP got majority more than 5 lakhs. One MLA got majority 95,000. Another MLA got 94,000. Here also majority Ramesh 80,000. Everybody is 82,000. Everybody is getting 80,000. We used to say once I got majority of 70 or 65,000. Combined Andhra Pradesh highest votes.